If you like this video, click on that subscribe button and be notified of more great ideas. Well, I had a broken punch just like this one that was broken off about here. And somehow or another, during the process of making this video, I lost the first clip. So I can't show you that. But it was broken off. And here's the one that was broken off, and we have repaired it. And I'm going to show you how I did that. Once we get it nice and red as far back as we want, we'll just let it cool off. It'll be softer after that. And now that it's soft, we should be able to machine that. Once we've machined this down to the diameter that we want and as far back as we want it, as long as we don't go too far back because we didn't soften it up down here, just to about there. But this length is fine for me and this diameter is fine for me. We just have to now heat it up again because it's too soft to use as a punch. Showing here. Almost ready. See that nice cherry red coming up? That's what you're looking for. And it's now time to dump it in the water. Now that should be perhaps even too hard. So a little bit of experimentation may go on here. You may have to heat it up again till it's just a nice yellow color, or put it in the oven at 450 degrees for about an hour to draw it back so that it's not too hard. I'm going to try this one out and see how things work. It's probably going to be okay, and I just say that from experience. I don't think it got too hard. Well, it took that all right. Nothing shattered. I think we're good.